In recent years, the marine industry has undergone a silent revolution that is completely transforming the way we navigate. We are witnessing vessels that defy the laws of physics, that literally fly over the water and that incorporate technologies so advanced that they seem to have come straight from the future. But what makes these boats so extraordinary? In this video, I will show you the 8 most impressive state-of-the-art watercraft that have pushed the boundaries of naval engineering. Vessels so advanced that they seem straight out of science fiction, but they are completely real. Brace yourself because what you are about to see will blow your mind. Number 8. Hyper. Imagine a submarine that can reach the speed of a sports boat. Sounds impossible, right? Well, the Hypersub has just made what until recently was pure fantasy a reality. This revolutionary underwater machine has broken all the rules by combining the ability to submerge underwater with speeds exceeding 100 km/h on the surface. Most impressive is its hybrid propulsion system that allows instant transitions between surface and submerged mode. In less than 10 seconds, the Hypersub can go from sailing like a conventional boat to gliding stealthily beneath the waves. Its aerodynamic design, inspired by military torpedoes, minimizes water resistance in a way never seen before. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. It can carry up to 4 passengers in a pressurized cabin with 360-degree visibility. It's like being inside a glass bubble navigating the depths. Although its price is in the millions, there are already waiting lists of buyers who want to be the first to experience this perfect fusion of submarine and speedboat. Number 7. Airfish 8. A boat that flies, not exactly, but almost. The Airfish 8 uses a physics principle called ground effect, which allows it to literally take off and glide above the surface of the water at heights of up to 20 feet. This 8-seater beast can reach speeds of 150 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest boats in the world. What makes the Airfish 8 special is that it operates in a middle ground between water and air. It's not quite an airplane because it can't fly at high altitudes, but it's definitely not a conventional boat. Its short-wing design generates air pressure that keeps it suspended, reducing fuel consumption by up to 30% compared to similar speedboats. The potential uses are incredible, from executive transport between islands to coastal patrol and rescue missions. Imagine being able to reach your private island in minutes, floating above the waves as if you were on a magic carpet. The technology behind the Airfish 8 isn't new, but this is the first time it's been made available in an affordable way for civilian users, priced around $1.5 million. Number 6. Typhoon Shadow 6. If you thought speedboats couldn't get any better, the Typhoon Shadow 6 is here to prove you wrong. This 6 meters tactical beast is capable of sailing at over 130 km/h with stability that defies all logic. Its secret lies in a revolutionary hull with shock-absorbing technology that literally devours the wildest waves. Originally developed for military special forces, the civilian version of the Typhoon Shadow 6 maintains those extreme capabilities, but adds the luxury and comfort you would expect from a premium vessel. Its dual propulsion system includes state-of-the-art outboard engines that can operate in stealth mode, reducing noise by up to 60%. What's really exciting is its ability to operate in waters just 30 centimeters deep thanks to its modified flat hull design. This opens up a world of possibilities for exploring inaccessible coastal areas. With capacity for 6 people and a range of 600 kilometers, the Typhoon Shadow 6 is redefining what it means to be an extreme sports boat with a price tag starting at $400,000. Number 5. Iguana Pro Interceptor. Here's where things get really crazy. The Iguana Pro Interceptor doesn't just travel on water, it can also exit the water and roll across land like an amphibious vehicle. But we're not talking about basic amphibious capabilities here. This boat can navigate beaches, ramps, and even rough terrain with incredible ease. Its retractable track system deploys in under 8 seconds and can support the entire weight of the boat, plus its cargo. Picture this. You sail up to a remote beach, activate land mode, and simply drive to your campsite. No trailers or launching ramps required. It's total freedom. With the capacity to carry up to 12 people or over 1,000 kilograms of cargo, the Iguana Pro Interceptor is being used by emergency services, exclusive resorts, and extreme adventurers. Its versatility is unmatched. It can serve as a rescue boat, a scout vehicle, or simply as the ultimate toy for anyone who wants to conquer land and sea without ever leaving their boat. Base prices start at $250,000, but custom configurations can easily double that. Number 4. The Racebird E1 series. Welcome to the future of water racing. The Racebird E1 series is the first 100% electric raceboat designed for the new E1 Global series. And when I say electric, don't think of a silent, boring boat. This machine reaches 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds with seat-hogging acceleration. The Racebirdy's revolutionary design isn't just its emission-free propulsion system, but its hydrofoil technology that lifts the hull completely out of the water at high speeds. This reduces drag by up to 75%, enabling incredibly energy-efficient racing while delivering a visually stunning spectacle. Every Racebirdy features state-of-the-art batteries that fully recharge in under 30 minutes between races. A thermal management system keeps the motors at optimum temperature, even under the most extreme racing conditions. Competing teams are limited to identical technical specifications, meaning the best driver wins, not the one with the most money. This democratization of yacht racing is appealing to both motorsport veterans and a new generation concerned about the environment. The future of speed on the water is electric, silent, and absolutely thrilling. Number 3. Jet Capsule White. And if I told you that you could have a luxury yacht in just 7 meters of slora, the Jet Capsule Euclid looks like a futuristic capsule straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's completely real and is redefining the concept of compact luxury on the water. Its spherical design isn't just for looks, it provides exceptional stability, even in rough seas, thanks to its low center of gravity. The interior is surprisingly spacious with room for 8 to 12 people depending on the configuration. You can equip it as a mini floating discotheque, an executive office above the water, or even a small nautical apartment with a kitchen and full bathroom. What makes the Jet Capsule truly special is its versatility. It can function as a megagate tender, a water taxi in tourist areas, or simply as your personal watercraft for weekend getaways. Its maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour allows you to reach your destination quickly without sacrificing comfort. Available in diesel, hybrid, and all-electric versions, the Jet Capsule represents a new philosophy. You don't need to be 100 feet long to have all the comforts of a yacht, with prices starting at $250,000. It's making nautical luxury accessible to a much wider audience. Number 2. Hydrofoil and Jet Ski Flyway. Brace yourself, because this is going to completely change the way you think about jet skis. The Jet Ski Flyway Hydrofoil doesn't ride on the water, it literally flies above it. Thanks to its state-of-the-art hydrofoils, this electric beast soars up to 3 feet above the surface, creating a sensation of flight that has to be experienced to be believed. Its electric motor provides instant and silent acceleration that feels like pure magic. Without the deafening noise of traditional engines, the experience becomes almost meditative as you glide over the crystal-clear waters without ever touching them. It reaches speeds of 60 kilometers per hour with a cruising range of 2 hours. Most impressive is its automatic stabilization technology that constantly adjusts the angle of the hydrofoils to maintain a stable flight even when changing direction abruptly. So intuitive that even users with no previous experience can master it in a matter of minutes. The Flyway is being adopted by luxury resorts around the world looking to offer unique experiences to their guests. With zero emissions and minimal environmental impact, it represents the future of personal water sports. Its price tag of $18,000 may seem steep for a jet ski, but when you experience the sensation of flying over the water, we understand that it is priceless. Number 1. Raffner 1100. And we come to number 1, the boat that is literally saving lives where all others fail. The Raffner 1100 isn't the fastest, most luxurious, or most expensive on this list. It's simply the most revolutionary in terms of pure nautical technology. This 36-foot Icelandic beast incorporates a technology called OK-Hull, which essentially reinvents the way a boat interacts with waves. Instead of crashing into or jumping over them, the raffiner's hull literally absorbs and bounces them back, creating a stability that borders on the otherworldly. In real-world testing, this vessel has navigated sea conditions where boats twice its size have sunk. Coast Guards and rescue services in several countries are replacing their entire fleets with Raffiner 1100s because they can operate in waves up to 26 feet high when other vessels can't even leave port. Its crew experiences up to 75% fewer violent impacts, which means less fatigue, fewer injuries, and more effective operating time. The truly impressive thing about all this technology is that it doesn't require complex electronics or additional power. It's pure physics and brilliant engineering applied to hull design. From fishing operations in the North Atlantic to Navy missions in Arctic waters, the Raffiner 1100 is proving that sometimes true innovation isn't about going faster or looking crazier, but about making the impossible possible. And there you have it, 8 vessels that are completely redefining what we thought we knew about sailing, from supersonic submarines to flying jet skis. The future of shipping is finally here, and it's more mind-blowing than anyone could have imagined. Now tell me, which one impressed you the most? Would you dare to try the Hyper, or would you prefer the adrenaline rush of the Flyway? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because every week we bring you technology that will blow your mind. See you in the next one.